Winning PPC keywords equals winning sales. Here's how pros use Helium 10 to dominate. I'll show you in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So you can check out our Amazon ads right here, and we only spent $196 and made $3,000 in sales just on ads in return with a 5% ACoS. If you want to achieve something like this, I'm going to be showing you how to do it using Helium 10. And the first thing we're going to do is log into Helium 10, and there is a link in the description for a free trial for Helium 10, also a discount if you decide to sign up. But what we're going to do is look at tools and go to Cerebro, and we're going to look at our top competitors. So we're going to determine that this is our product. It's a tabletop campfire. It's like a mini campfire, portable campfire, many different words to utilize for this. But we want to see what is our top competitors using. So we're going to look at our top competitors, and there we are, competitor 1, competitor 2, our listing, and competitor number 3, competitor number 4, right? Now, which one's making more sales? And we can see right here, we're only making 648 sales a month, and our top competitor is making 26,000 sales in 1 month. And we want to copy them and see what keywords are they ranking for Amazon ads. So we're going to put in them into Cerebro, and then it's going to show us that they're pretty much running they're ranking 1,273 times for Amazon ads. So we know for a fact they're running ads, and we want to see what keywords they're using so we can mimic those keywords, show up, and dominate Amazon, especially get that great ACoS that I showed you where you spend $100, make $3,000 in sales, can't complain. What we're going to do is it's going to look a lot like this, and we're going to filter the data to just show column A, B, D, and W. So A, B, I'm going to hide C, D, and then W. I'm going to hide X. So A, B, D, W. Boom, it's going to look like this. I'm going to zoom in just for you, and then we're going to I'm going to show you how powerful this tool is. Okay, so we've got keyword phrase, keyword sales, search volume, sponsored rank. This is we're going to go through each one. So this is the keywords that our competitor is using. So if you type in beach bonfire, right, it's getting 300 searches a month on Amazon, not a ton, but they're showing up 23. That's their advertising rank. So this one, they're showing up number 1. So if we type in campfire in a can, they are literally already generated 6 sales. Search volume is 203, but they're showing up number 1 for this ad. So this could be a good one. But I'm going to show you some OG tricks. And what we're going to do is filter this. And we're only going to show you, I don't want to see any blanks. I only want to show the top 30. So what are the top 30 that our competitor is ranking for? 14, 15, 16. Hanging with me here, this is going to be really good data. 30, okay? So we've got all this stuff, and now we want to see, okay, what about the rank? So I'm going to do it from, what are they ranking number 1 on? So what's their best keywords that they're using for Amazon ads? And their best keywords are right here in the number 1 section. This is number 1. Here's the search volume. All right, here's their keyword sales. And then here is their keyword phrase. And we can see right here, s'mores maker. This is how they're dominating. They're ranking for the keyword s'mores, which is a trademark keyword. You are allowed to run trademarks for Amazon ads. You can't put it in your title, can't put it in your bullet points, but you can run Amazon ads towards these keywords. So this s'mores maker right here generated them 81 sales. And plus, it has a huge search volume compared to the rest of them with 3,519 searches a month. So if we ran a campaign, exact match, so yellow, I'm going to do exact match, keyword campaign, just for one product, just for my product. For this keyword, we're going to double down and we're going to dominate, and it's most likely going to do extremely well, especially because I'm looking at the competitor. They're priced way higher than us. Their reviews are worse than us. We've got great pricing, great reviews, we're going to get clicked on and we are going to convert more than they are. And they don't even know. They're like, how did they find out? We're ranking for s'mores maker. This is our best keyword. Well, we found out using Helium 10, and we've got campfire starter. This is probably their second best keyword. So I can make a second separate campaign. We want these to be separate campaigns, okay? Because I want you to succeed. I don't want you to shove everything in one campaign. So this is going to be exact match. We're just targeting the keyword s'mores maker, and we're just putting our ASIN in there, okay? And then our second one is campfire starter. Now we've got beach camping. This one's a little bit broad. Beach day. I like beach camping because we can use this for beach camping. Beach day. When I think of beach day, I think of like pool noodles or a floaty and all this sand castles. So I don't really think about the portable campfire. Campfire in a can. That's our product. So the yellow ones, I'm not picking too many keywords, right? We already found a winner right here. Okay, this is potentially going to be a winner for us. And we're going to run exact match separate campaigns. So we're going to go to Amazon ads, set these up, run these for $5 a day, right? A little bit above the suggested bid, maybe $10 a day max each. Put them in separate campaigns, and then we're going to see how they do. And this is exactly how we found what keywords to rank for. We would have never found that keyword, s'mores maker, this exact keyword. We would have never found it unless we were utilizing Helium 10 and then went from there. So that's really a great way to dominate Amazon. And that's it for today's video. Have you used Helium 10 for PPC? Drop a comment below if you've seen success with it. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our #1 services is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, look at competitors, optimize your copywriter, utilize Helium 10 to make sure you're ranking for the best keywords, manage your advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business, looking at all the analytics, the data of the competitors. We can do that for you so you can rank, save time, money, and of course, increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.